trigger and handle, blade guard, slide rails, clamp and fence, table, miter scale and locking handle, bevel adjustment knob, laser guide on-off switch. Make sure all guards are in place and working well before turning on the saw. Line the laser up with your mark, then clamp your material. Make sure the entire length of your material is tight to the fence. Ensure you are aware of the blade path before you make your cut. When using a sliding miter saw, ensure the blade is pulled all the way forward and is clear of the material before turning it on. Make sure the blade comes to a complete stop before lifting it up again. Watch for kickback when cutting off small pieces. When making angle cuts, ensure the blade has adequate clearances. Your body position should always be left of the blade when operating this saw. Always make sure your left hand is well clear of the blade, 8 inches or more. Never cut pieces shorter than 8 inches. Students who are left-handed must use their right hand for cutting operations. Long board should be supported safely.